everyone, alright, so this is my new video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Smokey, welcome to the Artist of Makeup. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, and let's get on with the tutorial. Already applied an eyeshadow base, and now I take the L'Oreal Matte Lip Paint in a red color. I put it in the description box down below which one, and apply it with a brush into my crease. It is not necessary to put this all over the eyelid because we're covering it with red glitter anyway. And now I'm applying it into my crease and start to blend it out very good, and then I take it underneath my eye on my lower lash line as well. Then I take Sugarpill's Love Plus eyeshadow and apply it with a fluffy brush into my crease and start blending it out very well. And now I give you some pro tips. I apply first with the brush to give color, and then I take a clean one and go over the edges to have a very good blend. Next up, I take Sugarpill's pressed eyeshadow in Poison Plum and apply it into my crease with a smaller fluffy brush. And then I'm applying some black in a smaller radius with a smaller blending brush, and I do not even apply too much beforehand. I try to have the same intensity as on my previous eye that I did. Then I take NYX's glitter primer and apply it onto my eyelid. And for this I'm using a synthetic brush or my finger in this case, and apply it first to my eyelid and then press on the glitter with the brush. I previously tried to mix eyeshadow, glitter and primer, but that was the wrong method for this, so please make sure you apply first the primer and then the glitter. And I apply the rest of my remaining glitter into my inner corner. Please make sure you do not even put glitter in your eye. Apply some mascara, and there you have the look without lashes. You can leave it like this or apply some false lashes. I wore this look beforehand without lashes, but I think with applying some lashes it's much more dramatic. I think you can call it, yeah, dramatic. And here I'm applying some iconics from House of Lashes. And there you have the finished eye look. Then I bronze up my face, and I'm not sure what I used, so you can see it in the screen right here, or I don't post it because I can remember, but I think I used the Bobbi Brown bronzer number 1. Then I take my contour powder out of the MDK Shapeshifter palette and contour my face with it. Then I take my Becker highlighter, and here you see my tip that I do all the time. First I spray my face with setting spray and then I apply some highlighter over it. This is the best trick to make your highlighter pop to the moon and back. Girl, to the moon and back. I only can recommend it to you. For my lips, I'm taking MAC's lip liner in the color Stone. I love this lip combo, by the way. This is my most worn lip combo through the years. Then I apply Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Bow and Arrow from Kat Von D, and on top of it, you can see right here I put some Too Faced, how it's called, Milkshake Lip Injection Lip Gloss. I love this combo. And when you apply this, you're done with this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So we see us the next time. And yeah, we see us. Bye.